Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates how to view the schedule page for company on Scheduley app. After logging into Scheduley app, you will be taken to the home screen. Click the Schedule tab at the bottom of the page. You will be taken to the Schedule list page, which contains all details about your schedules. This page has 4 tabs. The All tab shows a complete list of all categories of your schedule, including the ongoing, completed, and canceled schedules. The Ongoing tab contains a list of your ongoing schedules. The Completed tab shows a list of your completed schedules. The Canceled tab shows a list of your canceled schedules. Please kindly note that the schedule page contains only personal appointments. Your service providing appointments can be viewed in the Service Providers Appointments page. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified about new videos. See you in the next video.